Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your broker account on MetaTrader 4 app using an Android device. So let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader app from your home screen or app drawer. Before logging in, make sure you have your broker's email with the login, account number, password, and server name. Now tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then go to Manage Accounts. Then tap plus sign and select Login to an existing account. Now in the search bar, type your broker's name and select the correct server. Now enter your login number and your password and tap sign in. If everything is correct, you will be connected to your account in seconds. Once logged in, you will see your account balance, chart view, and options to start trading. And that's how to log into a broker account on MetaTrader 4 using Android. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.